Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to talk about the verification functionality in this proctl project. So first of all, what I will do, let me show you the file and I will go through each of the things and I will show you that how the verification functionality will work. So basically, as you can see that this is the signup.go file, and in this file I have worked on the verify functional in the previous video, so you can check it out. So what I need to do, first of all, I need to manage this function, and first of all I will take this template that I have written it and I will transfer it into an HTML file, and after that I will work on the verification functionality. So what I will do, first of all I will write cobra add verify. Alright, so I will make a separate verification file for this, so that if I want to verify I can check it instead of verifying after signing up. Alright, so I will not verify the application or the user after signing up. Instead, what I will do, I will make a separate file for this, and if a user wants to verify it, he will simply write let's say proctl verify, and it will be verified, and after that the user can access this account. Alright, so once it is verified, after that the user will not be able to work on this functionality again, because this will not work after that. Alright, so the verification will be only one time. So I have created this file. Let's clear this and move to the verify.go file. Let's delete these strings because I don't need this, so let's clear them, and after that let's delete this description also. And what I will write is that check verification of a user, check verification of a user. All right, so after that let's remove this also, and what I need to do is to just copy this verify function that I have written it here in the signup.go file, and remove this and paste it here. All right, in the verify.go file. Now this verification function will be copied here, and this is specific to this file here. All right, instead of signing up, because it will not allow you to verify the account after signing up. Instead, you have to type the proctl verify command to verify your account if you want to. All right, so it will give you this option. So after that, let's copy this string, the HTML text that I have written in previous video. So let's copy this and remove it from here, and the account name, I will show you that how you can insert the account name in the HTML file, but it will not work like this way. So you don't need to write the this %s in the template that I will make, the HTML template that I will make. You don't need to write the account name and then put the %s here. Instead, what I will do, I will make another way and I will show you that. So first of all, let's delete this, and I will apply this account name also. So once it is deleted, what I will do, I will create a file. All right, so the file will be in the cmd directory, and that would be first of all the views, that would be directory views. Sorry, this is a file, so let's do folder views. All right, already exists. All right, so what I need to do is to, as you can see that this views directory is already existed, so I created it but I have forgotten about it, so no problem. Inside this views directory, what I will write template.html. so now this template.html will contain the template of the verification, all right, that I have created. So let's paste it here. All right, and after that I don't need to allow this button in order if someone you click on the button, then a user can verify. Instead, I will change the methodology of it. What is the new methodology is that basically the user don't need to click on the verification button or the confirmation button in order to verify. Instead, what it will do, it will basically send the verification code to the user email address, and once this email verification code is found in the email address, a user can type it here in the command line, and after that it will be verified. All right, so I will show you that how you can verify it, but the thing that I'm changing here is that instead of writing here the command the button, a verification code will be sent to the user email address, and if the user found that verification code, then after that a user can paste it here and he will be able to log in. So let's delete this. Instead of writing the button here, I will write let's say any kind of verification code just for the just for the simple showing you, but it will be changed after that. I will show you that how you can change it, but I have just written the random number here, so don't worry about it. So what I will do, I will first of all make this template functionalize so that it will work properly, and then after that I will show you that how you can perform in it and verify in it. So after that, once this template is written here, what I will do, I will work on this verify functionality in order to run this template.html file, because it is not present here. So what I will do, I will make some changes in it, and once these changes are done, this template.html file will easily be running. So what I will do, first of all, let's write what you can say body, and inside this body, what I will do, I will write base, alright, so I will write new. Inside this new, what I will write, bytes buffer. So what this byte buffer will do, basically, let me show you this. Go to the Chrome browser, and here if I show you that this is the buffer explanation. So examples of buffer, and how does buffer work in the Go language. So the buffer name itself clarifies its purpose. It allows us to give buffer storage where we can store some data and access the same data when we need it. So it will store the data, all right. So this body will store the data, and this will be equal to the buffer, all right. And the new will basically, if I take a look at this new, you will also be aware of this new. So basically new returns a pointer to the struct. So it will return a pointer. If I want to use this in another file, if I want to, then I can use this body here, all right. So after that, once it is written, what can I do? I will write, once this buffer is written, I will write template error is equal to, what you can say, template, and that would be equal to parse files. So inside this file, what I will write this template.html, all right. So I will write views. First of all, what I need to do is to write cmd, then views, and after that templates, all right. So inside this cmd, there is a views directory, and inside this views directory, there is a template.html file, all right. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind, all right. So after that, if error is not equal to nil, then log fatal error. Or after that, what I need to do is to write template execute, and inside this I will write body and the account name, all right. So the account name that I have shown you here, that instead of writing the account name by writing this %s, I will mention the account name, and after that, what I will do, I will write it like this, account name, all right. But I need to change this because this will not be applicable here. Instead, what I will do, I will make a structure for this. So first of all, I need to first write if error is not equal to this execution. After that, if error is not equal to nil, then print line errors new. So could not load the template. So what I need to do, instead of writing this account name, simply what I will write, I will first of all create a structure, and inside that structure I will give a account name variable, and that will be used here. So first of all, what I will do, I will go to the sign up file, and inside this I will write type what you can say account info, that will be structure, and inside this structure I will write what you can say get account name, and that would be string. All right, so now this is written here. I will use this structure, and the get account name will be used here. So let me just write get account name, and that would be account info equal to the account info, that structure. All right, so account info structure, and once it is equal, what I will write, let's say get account name. This is the variable get account name, and this variable will be equal to the account name that I will write here. All right, so now instead of writing the account name, what I will write, I will simply write get account name. All right. So now this get account name will be used, and inside this get account I can give this variable name here. Instead of writing the account name, I will write the get account name. So this variable will be present first of all in a structure. Once it is present in a structure, then you can use this. Otherwise you cannot use this. So this is a way that you need to follow. Alright, so after that all the things are done, but there is one thing remaining, that instead of writing fmt, what I will do, I will write body string. Alright, so now it is not giving me an error, and what I need to do is to make another directory also in the cmd, and that would be user. So I don't want to put all these files here. Instead what I will do, I will put it in the user directory so that I can manage these files once there is a big application. This application, if let's say this application is growing further on and on, so these files will not disturb me. So let's copy each of them. So let's copy this, cut this. Instead of cutting, I will move this like this. All right. Go to this user directory. It is not clear, so let's apply this again. Alright, so now it is moved. Okay, as you can see that all the files are now moved into the user directory instead of the cmd directory. Alright, but I need to change the path here also. So instead of writing cmd, I will write user here also. So now it is not giving me an error, so it is notified. So what I will write go install, and after then it is installed, I will write proctl. Let me just create an account for you. Proctl sign up, and e for the email, so it will be vainstree. And after writing the email, what I will write, password 1122, and the full name is going to be, let's say, vainstree, and the account name is going to be Veins. Alright, so let's click on this. Now it will not give me an error. So you have successfully created an account. Let's go to the, as you can see that this is account that is received here. Alright, so this is the key, and instead of writing a button or giving a button here, the key will be generated, and that key will be copied. Alright, so I will copy this, and after that I will insert that. So once it is given, then it will match it, that whether it is verified or not. So if it is verified, then account will be successfully verified and I can access it. So if it is not matched, then I will not be able to verify this account. So instead of giving the button here, I have changed this methodology. So let's delete this, because I have shown you that how it will work. So now let's move to the final step, that how you can verify, because this is an important step. And what I need to do is to change this. All right, so how can I do this? So first of all, I will go to this. All right, so what I need to do is to first of all go to the signup.go file, and inside this file I will make some changes in it. So what I will do, first of all, as you can see that only the account name is set. As you can see that only the account name is set, and this account name is fetched here. All right, so what I will write, I will also get the what you can say, the email and the password that I will use. So after the email and password is used, what I will do with these emails, so the email and password will be combined, and once these email and password are combined, after that I will encode these, means I will change this email and password into some another string, into random string, and that string will be basically saved in the database and also be transferred to the email address. All right, so basically what I will do, let me repeat it again. The email and the password will be combined, and after combination they will be encoded. It means they will be converted into a random string. So once the user copied the random string from the email address, he will write it here. All right, so after that I will match the random string from the database and the email address. Once both of them are matched, then an account will be verified. Before that, an account will not be verified. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. So after the first thing that I need to do is to combine the email and password. So as you can see that these are the two strings that are not present here. So I will make it like Redis, and will fetch those string email and the password. Redis email sign up, Redis sign up password, Redis sign up email. All right, so let me show it to you. Redis email emails. All right, so both of them are unique. So all right, So what I will do, I will use them, and what I need to do is to first of all set them. So I will copy this. Alright, so now they are copied. Instead of writing the account name, I will write account email, and the account password. Alright, so after that, instead of writing the Redis sign up account name, I will write Redis password, Redis sign up password, and Redis sign up email. Alright, so now both of them are set. Once it is set, what I will do, I will get these account and password. Alright, so email and password will be gotten. So after that, let's account email and account password. So let's change the name of these also, email and the password. So they are fetched, they are gotten. What I will do, I will once they are gotten, after that I will combine them. So how can I combine them? I will write combined text, and inside this I will write account email and the account password. Alright, so these two account password, this account password will be basically like this. If I show you, select from sign up. Alright, so basically this is the account password that is converted into hash values. So the same account password will be saved here. Alright, so this account password and the email, alright, both will be combined, and once they are combined, I will convert them into a random string. Alright, so this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. So let's write a combined text, and I need to encode them or convert them into the random string. But before this, I need to make a function also. So let's create a function by the name encode. Alright, inside this I will write string s and give the returning value also string. So after that, let's write body and base 64, and inside them std encoding and encode to string. And after that, let's write byte s. Alright, so this string will be converted into this encoding value or the random string. So let's return this string body. Alright, so now this function is created. After that, what I will write encoded text, so inside it, what I will do, I will write combined text. So this combined text will be converted into the encoding text. So after that, once it is converted into encoding or the random string, what I will write, I will set or store it in the database. So I will not store it in the MySQL database. Instead of what I will do, I will store it in the Redis database, and after that I can delete it also. So this is for temporary purpose. So what I will do, I will make another what you can say Redis set account info, and inside this I will give a key verification code, and this will be encoded text. Alright, so now this is stored in the database. Once it is stored, I will also send this random string to the email address, and once this a person receives an email address, he will match it with this encoded text that I have saved in the database. Once both of them are matched, then a user can verify an account, otherwise it will not be verified. Alright, so these things are done. So I don't need to use this verification function here. Instead, what I will do, I will remove it from here, and let's delete it from here also, because these things are not relevant here. So I hope you understood. So basically, the email and the account, the email and the password are gotten, and they are combined. Once they are combined, I have converted into the random string encoding value, and these encoding value are stored in the database, and they will also be sent to the user email address. So once it is done, I will also apply this methodology in this functions or this code inside this login also, because if a person log in, then he can also verify an account. If a person sign up, he can also verify an account. So both of them will give an option to him. So let's paste it here, All right, after that I need to give another thing also, that is like this. I need to set this email and password here also. So let's give it like this. All right, so let's write I, and let's write I here. Redis sign up email. All right, so as you can see that this Redis sign up email and Redis sign up password was previously present, so I used it in the previous code. So as you can see it while I was matching it, so the similar password and email code I have used also here. So yeah, so they are set and they are gotten. After that they are combined, and once they are combined I encoded them, and after that I have to set it in the as a verification ID. All right, so after that, now these two things are done. What I need to do is to go to the verification.go file, because the main functionality will be present in it. So let's go to the status.go file, because I need also to take a look that whether the user is logged in or not. So this is a code that I need to put it here. All right, so this code will basically ensure that whether the user is logged in or not. If a user is not logged in, then a person cannot verify an account. All right, so you cannot verify an account if you are not logged in. So this will basically ensure that whether the user is logged in or not. If he is logged in, then he can verify an account. If he is not, then he cannot verify an account. So after verification of the login token or these things, that whether the user is logged in, what I will do, so let's write first of all the account name that I need to get it from here like this. All right, so what I will write, I will let's say this one. These two should be gotten, and I will change it here. So once it is gotten, I will write account name, account email. All right, so the account name, all right, and the account name is fetched here, that I have created in the sign up or the login.go file. All right, as you can see here, so this is the account email and the password and the account name that I have set it previously. So this will be fetched here. So these two things are required to me. So what I will do, I will use the verify function here. So I removed the verify function from the sign up.go file. I will use it here. So what it requires the sign up email and sign up name and the sign up email. So let's take a look at this sign up email and the sign up name. So I have written it wrong, so let me change it for you. Sign up email first of all, and then the sign up account name, account email and the account name. Once it is done, what I need to do is to write a variable verification code, and that would be string. All right, and after that what I need to do is to write what you can say, if the got the verification code also, I will write print statement. So this print statement will take the value from the user from here. All right, so from the terminal he will put the verification code here, and I will match it. So what I will do, I will write enter the verification code. So once it is given to the command line, I can verify it. So let's write fmt scanln, and inside it what I will write verification code. All right, so this verification code should be written here. Once it is written, what I will do, I will apply the if else statement here. So if before applying the if else statement, what I need to do, I need to get the verification code also that I have set it here. As you can see that I set the verification code in encoded text, so this needs to be fetched here. So what I will do, I will write what you can say Redis get account info and verification code that I have set it. So verification code, and once it is fetched, what I will do, I will write give the variable like get verification code. All right, so now this is gotten. I will write, let's say, if get verification code is equal to verification code. All right, so if both of them are matched, if the get verification code that is fetched from the database is equal to the verification code that is written here, if both of them are matched, then I will write the else statement that whether give the message like you are successfully you have successfully created you are successfully logged or verified, sorry, verified. And after that, let's give the else statement also, errors new, you are not verified. Alright, and give the else statement also here, that if the user is not logged in, then how you can show the message that you should first of all log in, and then you will be able to verify an account. So I will give the else statement also here. So print like new, and inside it I will write first log in to verify an account. Alright, so this will be the message that will be shown to the user. But one thing that needs to be changed is that I need to give the encoded text here also. As you can see that this is the random text that I have written here. So how can I give the encoded text that I have used it here, like in the sign up verification code that I have saved it here. So what I will do, I will go to the verify.go file, and inside this I will write another structure. Sorry, I need to go to the signup.go file, and inside this I will write get encoded text, sorry, and this will be string. Once it is written, I will scroll down, and let's get the, what you can say, these are the two things that are required. All right, so I will fetch them and I will use it here. So first of all, write the get encoded text, and I will give it the encoded text, but before it I will write the code here that I have pasted, that I will paste here, and then I can use it here like this, encoded text. So as you can see that it is giving me an error that these two emails and password are undeclared. So what I will do, I will declare them. And how can I do this? I will write the email and password here. I will get them. So let's go get them. And now they are gotten, the email and password, and they are combined. Once they are combined, they are encoded, and after encoding they are written here. So I can use this get encoded text here. Alright, so let's give it in the template instead of writing it here. So let's remove this. This was just for the simple purpose, so just to show you, but now it will work fine. Let's save this, save this, save this, save this one also, save this. So let's write go install to install these changes. Once they are installed, I will write proctl logout. So you are already logged out. So what I will do, I will log in, and the login functionality that I have done it here like this one, and this will basically show the encoded text in the template. So let me just show you, and then I will go to the signup.go file. Basically I have created an account previously, so first of all I will show you how the login functionality will work, and after that I will delete an account and show you that how the sign up functionality will work. So what I will do, I will write proctl login email for the veins tree. All right, and this will be Gmail password 1122. So now as you can see that you are successfully logged in. But if I take a look at this email address, you can see that no email has appeared. Why? Because I have transferred the functionality from the login or from the sign up to the verify. So what I will do, I will write let's say proctl, first of all proctl help, so that I can show you. Sorry. Alright, so as you can see that this is the verification command that is showing me here, check verification of a user. Alright, so let's apply this proctl verify. Alright, so as you can see that it is taking some time to verify this, and it is asking for the verification code to be entered. So if I open this, as you can see that this is the verification code that is shown to me here. Alright, so let's copy this, and once these code are copied, I will paste it here, and after pressing enter on this, you will see that you are successfully verified. Why? Because the verification code that is saved in the database will be matched with this verification code that is sent to me in the email address. Alright, and after that, once they are matched, then I can then it will give me a verification message. So let's take a look at the logout, and I will let's clear this, verify again, and after that you first log out. So for proctl logout, you are already logged out. First log in to log out. I need to log in first. All right, so I have forgotten about this. So let's log in, and now this time I'm logged in, and I need to close this, delete this, and after that let's write proctl verify, and let me just wait. So let's go for this. All right, so now the email is received. Copy this, and instead of writing the whole verification code, I will remove some of them like this one. All right, if I press enter on this, you will see that you are not verified. Why? Because this code is not matched with the verification code that is saved in the database. All right, so this is how it will work. And let me just show you that. First of all, log out, and after that let's sign up. But before signing up, I will delete this account, and once it is deleted, if I show you that no sign up table is present here, so I need to create an account. First of all, proctl sign up E for the email address Vainstree, and the Gmail, sorry, the Gmail pass, Gmail, and P for the password 1122, full name for the, let's say, Vainstree, and the account name is Vains. Let's say account name is Bilal. Let's change it so that it should be shown here instead of Vains. I will shown here Bilal. So let's press enter on this. My email is correct. All right. So now you have successfully created an account. Let's write proctl verify. After that, let's wait for it. Delete this. The new email will be arrived. So, all right. So as you can see, this is the new email that is received to me, and the account name is Bilal. So I will copy this and paste it here. You are successfully verified. So this is how the functionality will work. So if both of the verification code are matched, then it will give me the verification message. So I need to make some changes in it also. As you can see that this verification code is not in the bold format, so I need to change it. And I also need to change the message here that we just want to confirm you. I will write like let's copy this code in order to verify an application and paste it in the app. So I need to also give the message here. So the first thing that I need to write is we just want to confirm it's you. So I will write please enter the verification code please enter the below code in the verification code in the app. All right, so please enter the below verification code in the app. And after that, let's make this encoded text in a bold format. So I will write B, let's close it. Inside it I will write like this. So this code will be bold, not in the same format, just like this text. All right, so I'm not going to show you because but you need to keep this in mind that I have just made some changes in it. So that's how it will work. So now let's go to the git status. As you can see that these are the file changes that I have created and I modified it. So let's clear them. And now I need to do, I will write add and then git commit m. And what I need to do is to write, let's say, added the verification functionality. All right. So let's press enter on this. Now you can see that all of the changes are added here. So let's clear this. After that, let's write git push origin master. Press enter on this. Let's open the GitHub repo, and now if I refresh this, 12 commits are now 30. So these are the changes that I made in the CMD, the views. This is the views. This is the template that I have added here. And if I go back, this is the user. And inside this user, this is the verify function file that I have just created. All right. So this is how it will work. So in the next video, what I will do, I will basically delete this delete this encoded text. Why? Because once the user is verified, then there is no need to verify it again. So after that, if a person just type proctl verify, then if the account is verified, it will simply show him a message that you are already verified, so don't need it. So then in the next video, I will do it like this. So I will delete this encoded text from the database because once the user is verified, then there is no need to multiple times the user should be verified. So yeah. So that's it for now. So I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.